Hi there. So if you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you're over the age of 40 and you have saved something. Maybe you've got money in a pension, maybe you've already invested something in the stock market, or maybe like me, you just have a bunch of cash sat in the bank, not really doing anything. And I'm willing to guess sometimes that you feel like you're the only adult in the room who hasn't figured this stuff out. But it's because nobody ever taught us. You're not alone. There are millions of us that don't understand money and how to build wealth because nobody taught us to do it. So you're not behind. Nobody ever taught you about it, but this changes today. Now, my name is Spencer. I'm 53. I've been where you are. I literally saved money into a bank account for 10 years. And it was only when I understood that inflation had taken a big chunk of it over 5 years that I knew I had to change, that I had to educate myself and learn about money and wealth because nobody else was going to teach me. I've spent the best part of my career, 30 years, taking complex things and explaining them to people in simple ways. And that's what I'm going to do with this channel. Take the complex world of money and wealth and make it easily understandable for the rest of us. The videos are going to be simple to follow, simple language, no jargon, no doom mongering. And together we're going to figure out how can we have a life where money isn't a stress in it? Because for me, that's what the success is. I want you to be able to go and talk to your partner, your kids, your friends, and talk about money in a way that they really respond to. I want people to come to you and ask you advice on money and wealth. Because the alternative is another 10 years that you don't understand it, and another 10 years that you lose potentially that feeling of having a life where money doesn't cause you stress. So if that sounds like something you want to do, subscribe to the channel and we're going to figure this stuff out one video at a time together. Remember, start small, stay consistent, and build your wealth over time. See you in the next one.